So guys, welcome back to the channel. Touching down from a very overcast Chiang Mai city in northern Thailand. Today we're going to take a little walk up here and we're going to have a chat about a subject. So that's today's vlog. We've got some music going on already, so let's get out here. It's going to be a lot of traffic, guys, so it could be a noisy one. We are down near Pantit Plaza and Loi Kro Road. I forgot what this stretch actually is again. I'll put it up on the screen. But we got the cheap hospital here if you need any cheap tests done or anything. I think I had my blood pressure and stuff took in there before as well. I do know this is where like all the cheap people go, so it's a good little place. So we're gonna take a walk up. Got a bank here, we got some massage girls out. In today's vlog I wanted to talk about, you know, all these vlogs are online now saying Thailand changed my life and I found Jesus in Thailand. No, not that extreme, but no, I've watched a few of them and I don't know if it's a little bit over the top. In one of my previous vlogs, the interview I done with Fran, I mentioned that Chiang Mai has changed me and I stick by that. But I think like change your life and change you are two totally different things. So we're gonna have a little chat about that. See, I've never noticed this place before either. Oh, the banding. I don't know if it is a banding. It looks like there's something still going on in there. Have we gone past the motorbike shop? Yeah, this is one of the best. Went right past it. Look, this place here is one of the best motorbike shops. I will pin it in the description, guys. Just give you a little look. This is probably my preferred one now, where you can get your gloves, your helmets, basically anything you need. It's right next door to the book shop, and you got a massage shop there as well. So yeah, I've never walked up here with the camera before. See, if you go down here, look, you're in Loi Kro. Looks like some of the girls are just waking up, coming out. You see a lot of girls coming here, getting a coffee here. If you go down here, you're in the action again. Let's start with Thailand has changed me as a person. Of course it is. I came here to probably get away from the previous life that I was doing, partying, and well, I was getting towards the end of my partying life, but I was still going out and still getting wrecked in things. And yeah, this Thailand has done wonders for me for that. Definitely, it has changed me as a person. It's changed me. If I went back home, would I slip back into the old ways? Who knows? I don't think I would, but there is a chance I could. So has it really changed me? I don't know. You'd have to go back home to see if it really has changed you. But I think, hello, how are you? Good. Some massage ladies. Yeah, so in that sense, it's changed me while I'm here. Of course, if you're going to take yourself out of where you're living into a new country, it's going to change you, right? But what I don't think, like, Thailand has not changed my life. The reason I don't think it's changed my life is I still worry about money. I still worry about my future. Everything I worried about back home, most of it I'm still worrying about now. Not all of it, but I think that's changed your life, right? If you've got no more worries, or you're not worrying about money or anything anymore. None of that sort of different for me. I'm still, you know, I've still got to go to work somehow and earn money and think about where I'm going to live in the future. So I don't think, no, Thailand has not changed my life. It's changed me as a person. And I think some people get mixed up with that. Like they come here and it's all, oh, you know, it's changed me whole life, man. It's changed me whole life. It's changed your way of life. I mean, it's different if you're retired maybe and you've got a house here. You've got your own property already. That's probably a little bit different, right? It probably has changed your life because you're settling here. You're not going anywhere else, and even then you've probably still got problems, right? Yeah, and I was just thinking about this for this vlog, and it's changed me as a person, as I said, but it hasn't changed my life, if that makes sense. Let me know what you think. That's what I think anyway. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it has changed my life and I just don't realise it, but I've still got things I worry about, like back home, and I mean, I've still got to work, man. We got to work till we drop nearly in the UK. So yeah, I've still got thoughts and things to worry about. Hello, ladies. How are you? She's smiling. She was loving it. I was only gonna walk up here. I've done it in no time. So we're gonna have to walk all the way around, I think. Gonna walk around because that was like nothing. Unless I cross over in a minute and go back down. I think that's what I'll do. See, we're up at the moat now. We're at the top, bottom left-hand corner of the moat. So if you go along here, you're at Chiang Mai Gate. So I think I'm going to walk down this other side and show you the pop motorcycle rental for the big bikes. Probably, I know I say a lot of them are famous and well known, but Pop is probably one of the main ones actually. So we'll walk back down this side. But I suppose changing your life is different for everybody, right? I'm not saying some people are wrong. I don't even know if I'm right or wrong. That's how I feel anyway. It's definitely not changed my life, but you change anyway when you get older, don't you? So even if I was back home, you change as a person as well. Look at this, look. Never seen this shop before. Big toys. Yeah, got them all. Love you forever. Love you. It's like a fake Care Bear, isn't it? So yes, walk back down. Cloudy. Loving it today, last few days. Been cloudy as anything. Still, it's warm, but it's not hot. I'm sweating now. Humid. It's always humid, isn't it? In Thailand, no matter what, humid. I think once you've been to Thailand, you stayed in Thailand or anywhere for a certain amount of time, I don't think you will be able to go home and just settle anymore. I don't think like I would be able to do that. It's changed me in a way where I need to travel, I think, or be somewhere else. Right, so this is Mr. Pop. Mr. Pop, look, there's real big bikes, motorbiking, car rental. Got some big boys in there, look. Oh, this Aerox nice, isn't it? I like that red Aerox, man. And got the new Click. I think it's the new Click, right? 160. Yeah, 160 Click. I like that red and black Aerox. See, I would take them stickers off on the side. Keep the red and black, no writing on it whatsoever. So yeah, very, looks like got the scramblers at the back as well. There, people like them to go to Pai and stuff, the big scramble bikes. So I suppose changing your life as well is maybe like having kids and, I don't know, getting married to a Thai lady or buying a house. That's mainly changing your life, isn't it? Hello, sir. Sabadi Mai. I wouldn't mind a coffee somewhere, actually. This place looks quite good, doesn't it? So I've just come into this coffee shop, guys. Lovely lady here. She's just took over the place. It's called La Friandise, a French name. And she's laughing at me because I can't say it. So I'm going to stop off here and get a latte. And yeah, it's very nice, look. Very nice place. You can sit out here. Wow. So what are we? About halfway down. Lovely Thai girl on her own there. So I thought I would stop off and get the coffee. So this is, oh, yeah. She's the owner of this place now?
Yes.
Or just a manager? You own the place?
Yeah, I'm Oh, no, no, manager, all included.
You everything? You know staff here, just you?
Yes.
Okay.
We have one chef and me.
Right. And how do I pronounce this again?
Laughing on this.
La Fiandis. Maybe I'll show you the menu as well, if she has a menu.
Yes.
Okay. So, wow, looks a big menu. Right, so you can get starter, ham and melon, main course, look, 650, 450, slow cooked pork belly, potatoes, mushroom, and you can get your desserts, chocolate mousse, organic pumpkin soup. So if you come here, you will see you're here every day.
Yes.
Every day she's here, so come in for a coffee and get some food off the menu as well. And the coffee is really good. Latte, 70 baht. So I've just been chatting with O for like 2 hours. So if you want to come and get a coffee, come and say hi to O. See you again, thank you. And we will leave the Facebook and Instagram look in the bottom of the page. So yeah, it's a French place. Her French partner is the chef, and I was out the front having a right laugh with her. I thought I better get going because he might be getting a little bit angry, but sort of friendly. We was having a chat about where I've been in Thailand and stuff. So yeah, great lady, cool coffee shop. Anyway, let's keep bouncing. I forgot what we was on about now, really. I just thought it was a good little subject today, you know, good little vlog, because I'm still waiting to go on my trip, and it's wet season and I'm waiting for it. It's not going to dry up for ages, but I think I'm going to wait a little bit longer before I do go on the road trip, because yeah, up in the mountains and stuff, it is still quite treacherous, especially on a Honda Click as well. Even when I'm out and around the city, like, I can feel you could lose the bike like so easy. So yeah, I'm just gonna hang on. We're gonna do some more around Chiang Mai vlogs for a little while yet, guys, because yeah, I'm getting a little bit bored in the city as well, but I've got some other plans where we're gonna do some other districts and stuff. Let me know what you guys think as well. I know a lot of you live here. Has it changed your life? Are you a changed man in Thailand, or has it made you worse? You know, some people go the other end of the spectrum, don't they? Probably makes your life worse, maybe. Sabadi Mai, how are you? Hello, nice to meet you. Yes.
What about my name YouTube you?
Walkabout Wayne. She's gonna subscribe to me.
Này là YouTube nói.
You know YouTube? Oh, no English. No English.
แม่เขาเป็นพิมพ์ภาษาอังกฤษเนี่ยเขาเลยเขาเป็นภาษาก็นี่ไงภาษาอังกฤษ yes okay thank you.
So these ladies do massage in intra Thai massage, and 250 baht 1 hour. Lovely to meet you. Take care. See you. Hey, see? She wanted to be on there big time, and she subscribed. I doubt she'll know what I'm talking about. So now we're back down at the motorbike shop. Look, this is one of the best, guys. I'll just give you a quick little look. I keep meaning to get some new gloves before, but they sell, well, I wouldn't say amazing helmets, like cheap but good helmets, you know. They're probably not safety standard, and I know I might get one of these motocross ones next, you know. That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? Traveling with one of them. I might get one of them, you know, because mine's falling apart. Hey, yeah, I've had a good little cruise out and about today, actually. Do you know what? I never come here either. I've never really seen that's a coffee shop. Never been in there either, man. So I think I'm gonna go and get Lucille in a minute, guys. So I got a few things to do this afternoon. We're just gonna walk down here, have a little walk down to the canal here. That's what we're gonna do. So you got your 5-star chicken here, coffee shop 75. So it was 70 baht for a latte in the French place. Normally my place is closed today, that's why I went up here. Normally I pay 20-30 baht, but it was nice to go somewhere different and just have a chat, eh? Right, so that's Lloyd Crow Road in there, guys. Lloyd Crow Road. And I think we're gonna leave it here actually. It's not gonna be a mental vlog. I'm gonna stop waffling. Let me know what you think down below. Just a little chat. I don't think Thailand has changed my life. Is it changed me as a person? Yes, that probably don't make sense to some of you, but that's the way I look at it anyway. I'm gonna stop waffling and I'm gonna get home. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Everybody's looking here, but I'm so used to it now. Take it easy, man. Take it easy.